Before you buy Subbly, there are some key things you need to know. In this video, I'll break down 7 crucial aspects of the platform, giving you a clear picture of whether it's the right choice for you or if you should be looking elsewhere. Stick around till the end because we'll cover some features that could completely change how you run your subscription business. First off, Subbly is a subscription box software that stands out with its intuitive design and flexible features, but is it right for everyone? One of its main advantages is its ease of use. Unlike some competitors like Craterjoy or Shopify subscriptions, Subbly focuses on simplicity and doesn't overwhelm you with a ton of options right out of the gate. It's perfect for those looking to set up a subscription model without a steep learning curve. Next thing to consider, Subbly offers fully customizable subscription management tools, which gives you control over how you want to manage your recurring payments. This makes it a great option for businesses that want to scale but also need specific features like flexible billing cycles. Whether you're running a monthly box or a quarterly plan, Subbly lets you set the exact terms of your subscriptions. The third thing is its user-friendly dashboard. This is a major selling point compared to other subscription services that sometimes present an overwhelming set of controls. With Subbly, everything is clear and intuitive, even if you're new to subscription management. You'll find the learning curve much less steep compared to more complex platforms like Recharge or Bold subscriptions. Another important aspect is its customer support. Subbly offers excellent customer service with a real human being ready to help you out via chat or email. For smaller businesses or those new to e-commerce, this can be a game changer. Larger competitors can sometimes leave you hanging with automated responses, but Subbly is known for its responsive team, ensuring you get help when you need it. The fifth thing to consider is pricing. While Subbly is affordable for smaller businesses and solo entrepreneurs, it can get a bit pricier as your needs grow. If you're looking at scaling up, you might need to weigh if the premium features justifying the price difference compared to services like Cratejoy's comprehensive plans or Shopify's more expensive subscription add-ons. Next, Subbly is highly customizable in terms of branding and design. The platform allows you to truly make your subscription box website your own, offering options for custom domains, storefronts, and branding. This sets it apart from platforms that offer templates but lack the depth of customization. Whether you're building a brand from the ground up or need it to match your existing business style, Subbly makes it easier to craft a personalized experience for your customers. Finally, if you want to try Subbly out for yourself, there's a completely free trial available, and I've linked it down below in the description. You can explore the platform's full capabilities and see if it's the right fit for your business before making a commitment. So, before you jump into a subscription platform, make sure you understand these key features of Subbly. From its easy-to-use interface to its customer-centric support, it offers solid tools for businesses of all sizes. But remember, it's not for everyone. If you're interested, make sure to click the first link in the description to try out Subbly and get the best free trial with some exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else.